Welcome to Lesson 5.4, Glimpse into the Quantum, Python and Hybrid Computing. In this lesson, we are going to venture into one of the most exciting and cutting-edge frontiers of computing. You've mastered Python's fundamentals, and now we'll see how it acts as a crucial bridge to the quantum realm. By the end of our time together, you will be able to understand what quantum classical hybrid systems are and why they're so important. You'll recognize Python's pivotal role in interacting with quantum computers through various SDKs. We'll also help you grasp the conceptual flow of how a quantum circuit is executed. And finally, you'll be able to conceptually simulate a basic quantum circuit using Python, demystifying this complex field. Let's dive in. So, what exactly are quantum classical hybrid systems? Imagine a powerful orchestra where some musicians play traditional instruments while others wield entirely new, experimental ones. A hybrid system combines the best of both worlds, classical computers and quantum processors. Classical machines excel at control flow, data management, and the pre- and post-processing of information. They handle everything that isn't inherently quantum. Meanwhile, the quantum processor is reserved for those very specific, often intractable computations that classical computers struggle with, like simulating molecules or optimizing complex problems. This collaboration is absolutely essential for us to achieve near-term quantum advantage, allowing us to tackle problems today that are just beyond the reach of classical supercomputers alone. It's about synergy, not replacement. Now, where does Python fit into this groundbreaking landscape? Think of Python as the orchestra conductor for quantum computing. It's the primary language for interacting with quantum hardware and simulators through sophisticated software development kits or SDKs like Qiskit from IBM or NISQ from Google. Your Python scripts manage all the classical control logic, setting up experiments, and preparing the data that goes into the quantum processor. It acts as a powerful interpreter, translating your high-level instructions and algorithms into the precise quantum operations needed. Most importantly, Python facilitates the crucial steps of simulation and direct interaction with quantum hardware, making it the indispensable interface for exploring the quantum realm. Before we write any code, let's conceptually break down a quantum circuit. At its heart are qubits, the quantum equivalent of classical bits. Unlike a classical bit that's either 0 or 1, a qubit can be 0, 1, or both simultaneously in a state called superposition. To manipulate these qubits, we use quantum gates. These are like logical operations in classical computing, but they perform quantum transformations, such as the Hadamard gate, which creates superposition, or the C0 gate, which entangles two qubits. Finally, after applying our sequence of gates, we perform a measurement. This collapses the qubit's quantum state into a definite classical 0 or 1, allowing us to extract results. The entire sequence of operations on qubits is what we call a quantum circuit. Now, let's get a conceptual feel for building a simple quantum circuit in Python. Imagine we want to create a superposition. First, we'd initialize a quantum circuit with, say, 1 qubit and 1 classical bit to store our measurement result. Next, we would apply a Hadamard gate to that qubit. This critical gate places the qubit into a superposition, meaning it's simultaneously in both 0 and 1 states. After that, we measure the qubit. Each time we run this, we'll get either a 0 or a 1, but over many runs, we'd expect roughly a 50-50 split, demonstrating the probabilistic nature of quantum mechanics. All of this is done by simply calling functions from a quantum SDK like Qiskit in your Python script. Since access to real quantum hardware is still limited and expensive, how do we test our quantum circuits? We use simulators. Quantum simulators are classical computer programs that mimic the behavior of quantum hardware. They allow us to execute our quantum circuits and predict their outcomes without needing an actual quantum computer. This is absolutely essential for testing circuits, debugging algorithms, and rapidly developing new quantum applications. Simulators provide invaluable insights, helping us understand how our quantum programs will behave before deploying them to real, complex, and often temperamental quantum machines. Conveniently, most Python quantum SDKs come with built-in simulation capabilities, making it easy to experiment and learn. We've taken a significant glimpse into the quantum today, exploring Python's role in this exciting field. Remember, hybrid systems are the current frontier, combining the strengths of classical and quantum computing to tackle complex problems. Python stands as the crucial interface, empowering us to design, simulate, and eventually run quantum algorithms through accessible SDKs. We also demystified the basic components of a quantum circuit. As a final self-assessment, can you describe the role of a Hadamard gate in a basic quantum circuit? Thinking through that will solidify your understanding of how we create fundamental quantum states. Keep exploring, the quantum world is just beginning to unfold.